grade 10, we're going to now do this program where a date is put in to this edit box here in the format of YYMMDD. So first two digits is the year, and we know we're in 2020. Second two is 05, which is May, and 06 is 6th of May. The display button has to convert that to another format. Let me just get a label, or I can just put it over here. It's going to look like this. 020/05/06. So we want it to be displayed like that, okay? But no, we're not going to just type, we have to do the code for that. So we have to go and put in forward slashes in the right places and add a 20 to the beginning of the string. So adding the 20 to the beginning is easy, okay? Now if you can see those characters, we know that the 0, the forward slash must go into the position where that 0 is there, position number 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe a spreadsheet might help you at this point. Oh no, I should have opened this beforehand. So if this is the date here, and we had 020/05/06. Right, those were our, that's our dates, okay? And these are the character numbers of the string. It's our date, and these are the character numbers of the string. And there are 6 characters in this string called whatever. What are we going to call it? S date. Okay, so we have S date over here, and we have to put a forward slash. Wait, it's not 2002, it's 20. Hey, 2020. We're in the year 2020. And at position number 3 here, we want to put in a forward slash, so all of these are going to be moved up. Okay, but we're not going to move anything up. We don't have to. We have a nice little procedure called insert, which is going to put in some parameters. We're going to have some parameters here. We're going to insert a forward slash into S date at position number 3. So that's what's going to happen. The forward slash is that thing into S date at position number 3. That is what we are going to do. Forward slash must go into this string called S date at this position number 3, and then guess what? It'll all move up by itself. Right, so let's go and pretend we've done that in code. So after insert happens, after this, what's going to happen? This is what it will look like. There will now be a forward slash there. Oops. Okay, let's make a forward slash happen there. There we go. And now we have one extra character. Well, we have one extra character in this whole string, S date. So S date's going to look like this now. After we've used insert, we put an insert forward slash into position number 3, and the rest of the characters will look like that. But that's not good enough, is it? We've got to have another forward slash over here now. So after we've done this one, we have to go and do another insert. And this time it has to be at position number 6. This position there. So after we've done, so let's recap again. We have S date looks like this, okay? Year, MMDD, and we want to insert a forward slash at position number 3. Here's our code to do it, then that's what's going to happen after we've done that. And only then can we go and insert the forward slash at position number 6. And what's going to happen after we've inserted that forward slash? This is what it'll look like. These are going to be moved up. The forward slash is going to go in there. And we'll have one more character in our string. So this is what state will happen after the second insert. So you can't just insert at 3 and at 5, because you have to first insert at 3 and then insert at position number 6 now. And only then will we have our date looking more or less the same way we want it. Now obviously we still have to go and put a 2.0 in front of that. So we have to change it up even more. We're going to go and add a 2 and a 0 in the front of these two, of this whole string. And then of course we'll have even a longer string. So that is the mechanics behind the code. So you can see how that works. So state, after we've joined the 20 into the front, we'll have the full year, which will be Y, 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 and then M, M, and D, D. Like they said, it must be. Okay. The instructions said that's what we have to do. And a forward slash there, a forward slash there. So that's the format that the date must be in, and we've now successfully done it with that insert. And because we used a grid here, we can see, okay, I've got to go to position number 3, and once I've done that, then I must go and insert at position number 6. Let's do that in code. First of all, I double click the button, we make a variable. When in doubt, always make variables. Date will be equal to what comes into the edit box, which is edt date dot text. Now we're going to do our insert. Date. Oh no, we will insert a forward slash. Forward slash substring. Destination string is date. There's 3 parameters here, and the character number where we're going to insert is character number 3. And then we're going to go to do insert again. Copy and paste. This is your friend. At position number 6. There it is. Like we do, like I said. Now we're going to display it into the panel. PNL output dot caption equals sDate. So sDate is the thing that we changed, the date that we changed. We haven't introduced any other variables there. So I've got a date typed in there. I'm going to click display. Oops, we forgot to put the 20 in front. Hey, well, I can do it over here. 2.0 plus. Simple as that. See? Join the 20 in the front. And there we have the right format of the date. Okay, so there we go. And you go and do that as well.